When I first started on YouTube, I thought I had to choose either teach or tell stories or share practices. But the truth is, the magic happens when we do all three together. Because manifestation isn't just something you learn, it's something you practice, and it's something you live. Hi, I'm Tara, creator of Picture It Manifested. And here's what you need to know. I'm not here as a guru with all the answers. I've been the woman who tried it all, vision boards, affirmations, endless journaling, and still wondered why my dream life felt stuck on back order. What I discovered was this. Manifestation isn't about forcing belief or doing more rituals. It's about remembering. And this channel is where I walk beside you, flashlight in hand, as we picture it, remember it, and manifest it together. No fluff, no waiting, just alignment, proof, and results. In this video, I'll share what you can expect from this channel. Teaching that makes manifestation practical. Practices you can use right away. Stories that remind you you're not alone. And I'll also point you to your next step inside the Picture It Manifested journey. Manifestation isn't about hoping harder or forcing belief. It's about remembering who you are and anchoring that every single day. And that's what this channel is about. Here's what you can expect every week. Teaching videos where I'll break down the Picture It Manifested method step by step so manifestation stops being vague and starts being precise. Practice videos where I'll guide you through tools, rituals, and micro actions you can use immediately. Story videos where I'll share my real life wins, my spirals, and the lessons I've learned along the way. Because manifestation isn't just theory, it's a lived experience, and we're living it together. Here's the thing. Most manifestation content online does one of two things. Either it inspires you for a moment but leaves you without tools to actually change, or it overwhelms you with so much information that you don't know where to start. This channel is different. Here it's about integration, teaching, practice, story, woven together so you don't just understand manifestation, you embody it. That's the difference. This channel follows the same journey as my method, a 3-step memory-based manifestation process. Here's the roadmap. Step 0, the on-ramp, your freebies. You'll start with 2 freebies. The manifestation memory method, which is your foundation for shifting from wanting to remembering. And the 5-minute energy reset. That's your rescue ritual for any time doubt or spirals creep in. Step 1, foundation. Manifestation made real. This is where you'll learn the mirror laws, your North Star frequency, and the algorithm of alignment. It's the foundation for collapsing time and remembering instead of waiting. Step 2, building. The memory book builder. This is where you create your Picture It Manifested memory book using manifested memory pages, proof, and synchronicities as calibration fuel. Step 3, embodiment, the daily live it toolkit. This is where you integrate it daily. Morning anchors, evening anchors, and 21-day frequency actions that train your nervous system to broadcast your desires as deja vu. Every video on this channel connects back to these steps. It's not random. It's a complete ecosystem designed to take you from frustration to overflow. If you're ready to begin today, start with the 2 free guides I created for you. The Manifestation Memory Method, which is your foundation for memory-based manifesting, and the 5-minute energy reset, your instant reset tool for when doubt or spirals hit. Both are free. Both are designed to help you start collapsing time today. You'll find the links below. They're your next step into this journey. This isn't just my channel. It's our space. A place to practice together. A place to celebrate proof together. A place to remember together. Because you don't have to do this alone. I'm living this with you. Until next time, remember, I'm living this with you. Picture it, remember it, manifest it.